Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today I am going to show you how I make a tray using dry pressed flowers. And I am proud to say that all these flowers has been collected and pressed by me. If you like videos about resin and everything connected to resin, consider to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my future videos in the future. So, without further ado, let's get to it. I already cleaned my mold with sticky tape from any fluffs. Here I have mixed my resin. I mixed half of the resin what I will need because this pour is gonna be in 2 layers. First layer gonna be clear with flowers and the second layer a background with a bit of color. I'm using heat gun to remove all the bubbles because after you place the flowers you can't use any tools because it's possible to damage the flowers. This is my first tray that I'm making in this video and it is the biggest project too, so far. So I am super excited to be doing this. Right, I think I destroyed all the bubbles and now I am preparing all my tools that I might be needing for placing my flowers. And this is the arrangement that I'm thinking to do. I did prepare it before because I like to be prepared. So yeah, here I'm gonna start to arrange my flowers and I think I will speed it up. So enjoy watching and I'll be back in a bit. So yeah, this is my all arrangement done. Here is a bit of close-up. I did add a little bit of gold glitter, just a little extra touch. And now I'm gonna leave it to cure for 24 hours. I'm gonna come back and going to pour the second layer. So yeah, here we have the next day. I mix up the second part and I'll be adding some white and just a little bit of blue. And here I am transferring my mix into other pot because I wanna ensure that all the pigment is mixed well and on my background is gonna be nice and equal, even color. And the next step is just pouring. So at this stage I am coming back every 5-10 minutes to see how the resin is behaving. Maybe it has some bubbles need popping, and that's it. Leave it for the night. And the next day it's the good day. The resin is cured and it is time to demold it. Super excited. This big piece of resin is finally done. I have little bit of overspill, but it's nothing serious as everything can be sanded off. And let's have a look. Wow, isn't this piece just great? I'm so happy how the flowers look in this piece. I'm happy that they haven't really changed that much. And yeah, very happy, and I know for sure that this is not my last piece with flowers. The next step is I am going to sand it a little bit the top because I am thinking to put the top coat to make it look even more beautiful. And I'm going to paint the edge silver. I'm super happy with this result. So the next part is going to be me pouring the top coat, and I hope you enjoy it. I think it is very satisfying to watch how this blurry image turns absolutely clear and come back to life. As I didn't know how much resin to mix, I mixed a bit more, and I was hoping that I'll have a perfect top coat, but of course it wasn't the case and I had some spills. Anyway, it turned out great. And here is the final result. It's all been finished. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving a comment. But for now, I am saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!